Hi everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished installing a nice 10.25 inch Android Extron screen. Look at that, it looks absolutely massive. So this is the original screen just here. I don't know if you can see the end of the screen there, absolutely tiny. That was the factory one from BM. And we've gone to this massive looking screen here. All sort of touch screen. You can basically hotspot your phone to it. And you can use Google Maps, etc. You can get loads of extras to get CarPlay, Android Auto and stuff like that. So let's just go back to the screen, give you a quick demo of the video as well. There you go, all playing off the speakers, and all your steering wheel controls works on it as well. Look at that, 4K videos, absolutely clear, really clear. So let's go back here. Go back to home screen. So now, if you want to basically use some of the apps, you can use some of the apps. So there's loads of stuff. So you've got your Play Store, Maps, Chrome. You can add a front camera on here as well. There's absolutely loads. You can download some other apps as well from Play Store or Android Auto apps as well. So let's just go to the main hub. You've got this little cool thing on here as well, which is the dashboard screen. So it gives you a rev counter. So if you can see me revving, you can see the rev counter moving as well, which is really cool. Really responsive as well, really fast. Now when you want to go back to the original iDrive screen, all you do is you basically hold the menu button down and you'll see it flick over. There we go, back on the iDrive screen now. So all the scroller, everything works as well. So if I hold the menu button down again, back to the Android screen, and you can see that I'm using the scroller, and you can scroll all the features on there as well. Let's go to that. There you go. Really nice upgrade. Look, just transforms the whole dash. Absolutely massive screen. So if you're interested in getting something like this done on your BMW, or you might have a VW or a Mercedes or anything like that, we do an awful lot on loads of different makes and models of vehicles, then get in touch with us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.